BELLIMA, the beautiful side of baling. BELLIMA uses the chain elevator that has proven to be most effective in a wide variety of conditions all over the world. This grippy Krone elevator rolls the bale without stopping, also when baling short and dry material. BELLIMA is the well-proven and simple model in Krone's range of fixed chamber balers. And BELLIMA too uses the same Krone chain elevator that has proven so well tens of thousands of times. BELLIMA, a new Krone baler, steps out in style. More than just a stylish machine, BELLIMA is dependable, baling high-density bales from silage, hay and straw at a low power input and low maintenance. BELLIMA. Success comes so easily and looks so good if made by Krone. BELLIMA picks up every harm. Guided by steel or rubber wheels on either side, BELLIMA follows every ground contour. BELLIMA F125 operates at a width of 1400 mm by DIN standard and leaves nothing behind. The crop passage into the baling chamber is very short, which optimizes the overall intake of the crop and supports continuous flow. BELLIMA F130 operates a pickup that offers a working width of 1800 mm by DIN standard. Its feed augers on the sides and the integral packer feed the crop into the baling chamber, ensuring the chamber is filled uniformly. This equipment gives BELLIMA F130 an enormous appetite, while ensuring a smooth flow of material, even short material. BELLIMA bales its bales with the well-proven chain elevator technology in an enclosed baling chamber. This Krone design has proven itself millions of times in hay, silage and straw. This grippy elevator rolls the bale without ever stopping, producing high-density bales also from short and dry crop. BELLIMA stands out for its simple and clear design. This Krone baler uses only one heavy-duty chain to drive the elevator. There is only one hydraulic coupler to control the pickup and the rear door. The profiled starter roller starts the bale instantly, optimizing the entire process, and takes the load off the rear door. Another well-proven Krone feature is available as an option for BELLIMA, the mini stop. The mini stop function allows you to start a new baling cycle while the rear door is still closing, enabling you to bale more bales in less time. During the baling cycle, the rear door is locked and secured mechanically for peace of mind. The endless chain elevator is tensioned automatically. This design explains why BELLIMA runs so quietly and is so low in wear. The non-step driveline and the elevator that wraps nearly the entire bale reduces the risk of fragmentation and loss, as well as the required tractor power input. BELLIMA is available with a net wrap system or a twine wrapping system. You start twine wrapping with a touch of a button. The twin system has 2 threads run through drivers to either side of the chamber and back to the center of the chamber. A coned pulley controls the number of twine wraps applied per cycle. Once the cycle is complete, the system cuts both threads at the center of the bale. This type of twine tying system produces tight, even-faced bales at minimal cost. The Krone net wrap system cuts down on the wrapping cycle and produces more bales per hour. The net wrap system on BELLIMA stands out for simplicity and functionality. Set the number of net wraps like this. Thread the rod out to increase the number of net layers. The net is cut when the rail swings down. Covering the shoulders of the bales, the uniform application of the net avoids air pockets forming during the following film wrapping cycle. Buying a BELLIMA means tapping into Krone's vast experience and expertise gained in 35 years of baler manufacturing. Krone round balers have proven best in the most varied conditions everywhere in the world. BELLIMA, perfectly specified, simple, robust and dependable by design. Krone, the power of green.